Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Asana Analytics for project performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Asana Analytics for project performance, start by logging into your Asana account. Go to the project for which you want to enable analytics. Click on the project name at the top of the project page. Select Customize from the drop-down menu. In the Customization panel, look for the Progress section. Enable the progress timeline by toggling the switch on. Next, navigate to the Reports section located in the sidebar. Click on Create Report to begin setting up your analytics. Choose the data you want to track, such as tasks completed or project timelines. Use filters to refine the information to meet your specific needs. After setting filters, click on Save Report to store your configuration. You can now choose to share this report with your team members. To view your analytics, return to the Reports section at any time. Consider using the dashboard feature for a visual overview of your project performance. Explore various chart options available to represent your data effectively. Regularly review your analytics to monitor progress and identify areas for improvement. Adjust your project strategies based on insights gained from the data. Remember to keep your reports updated with the latest project information. This ensures you have the most accurate analytics for decision making. With these steps, you should be able to successfully install and utilize Asana Analytics for your project performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.